What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylish KENNA here, and I'm back again with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a real MVP, welcome back, and thanks again for staying tuned with the videos. So yeah, basically the video today is me showing you guys how I created this knotless braid wig. This is a full lace wig unit from my wig collection, but I will be showing you guys how I came up with this style. I was actually thinking about bleaching my natural hair and getting me some braids because I really wanted some braids, but I also really wanted to go blonde type of color other than black. So I was like, why should I put, any type of chemicals to my natural hair that I barely even wear? So I was like, what should I do? I was thinking, should I dye my hair? I wanted to just put the bleach onto my natural hair. Then I also thought I could just make a wig. I can just save my hair from any type of harsh chemicals, anything like that, and I could just create a style in a wig, and I could take it off and put it on whenever, I'm ready for some braids again. So that's what I did. I actually colored the unit. You guys saw where I colored the unit, and if you guys did not check that video out, I'll leave that video across the screen so you guys can check that video out after or before you watch this video, because I colored it first. So this is just a video of me showing you guys how I braided knotless braids. I'm not a pro in knotless braids, you guys. It was hard, I can't even lie. It was like very difficult for me because I watched videos, but the videos, it was just hard. I don't know how they add the hair. It was just very hard for me, but I figured it out and I did the best that I could do, and I feel like I did a really good job. Let me know if you guys think I did a good job as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and get right into the video.